Today we're unboxing the Republic of Gamers Maximus Z790 Dark Hero motherboard. It's a LGA 1700 ATX motherboard with 20+1+2 power stages, DDR5 support, comes with Wi-Fi 7 and an antenna, 5 M2 slots, and a bunch of other things that I'll go through in a minute. Alright, so like I said before, this has an LGA 1700 socket, so it supports 14th and 13th gen processors. Also it supports 12th gen and Pentium Gold and Celeron processors. It has the latest M2 support. It has tons of different connectors, so we got a dual Thunderbolt, 4 USB-C ports. It's got USB 20 gig Type-C, front end panel connector with quick charge, 6 additional USB 10 gigabyte ports in the back, 2 PCIe 5.0 x 16 safe slots, and it supports HDMI 2.1. Has high performance networking, Wi-Fi 7. So it has all this AI stuff, AI overclocking, AI cooling, AI networking, two-way noise cancellation. The I/O cover comes with Polymo lighting, whatever that is. So aside from the actual motherboard, let's see what else this comes with. So that's really it, just a simple unboxing. I'll unbox all the other parts in separate videos. Thanks again for watching.